Did you know every equilateral triangle can perfectly hide a semicircle inside it? Yes, I'm not joking. And the craziest part is, you can find its exact area by using just one simple triangle rule. And today, I'll show you step by step how a 16-unit triangle hides a semicircle with an area of over 75 square units. So, stay till the end, because the final calculation might surprise you. All right, today we have an equilateral triangle whose all the sides are equal to 16 units. Now, inside the triangle, there is a semicircle, in such a way that the flat side of the semicircle lies exactly along the base of the triangle, and the curved part of the semicircle touches both the sides of the triangle. Okay, our goal is to find the area of the semicircle. Now, to find the area, we first need to find the radius of the semicircle. Let us call the center of the semicircle as O. Since the flat side lies along the base, point O sits exactly at the midpoint of the base. Now, we draw a line from center O to the point where the curved part of the semicircle touches one of the slanted sides. And this line is our radius, denote by R. Now, here you need to know a key geometric fact, that the radius of a semicircle is always perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. This means the angle between our radius, R, and the slanted side is exactly 90 degrees. So, we now have a right triangle with three important values. First, the hypotenuse. Since the base of the triangle is 16 units and point O is at the midpoint, the distance from center O to the bottom corner of the triangle is half of 16, which is 8 units. And this distance becomes the hypotenuse of our right triangle. Second, the perpendicular side of this right triangle is the radius R. Third, the angle. Since this triangle is equilateral, every interior angle is 60 degrees. The angle at the bottom corner of the equilateral triangle is 60 degrees, and this same angle appears in our right triangle.